Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are making another super quick and easy recipe. This one is Hawaiian Pineapple Fried Rice. It is super delicious. It has a nice combination of flavors, so sweet, salty, and it's also super easy to make. So let's show you guys. This Hawaiian fried rice. Here we have about a cup of rice that we have cooked. This is half a fresh pineapple that we've cut into cubes, and of course we keep the juice. Half a red pepper cut into smaller pieces, 2 eggs, a handful of shrimp, and we have here 2 green onions. This is the white part and this is the green part. And of course we have 1 tablespoon soy sauce. You can add more. 2 cloves of garlic and about 2 tablespoons of oil and salt and pepper. Our first step is to scramble the eggs, so we're just going to beat them. So on medium heat, we're adding a little bit of oil, just a drop. And we're going to add the eggs and scramble them. So they look about cooked, and make sure that you scramble them and make them into small pieces. So now we're going to just remove them and put them aside and move on to our next step, which is the shrimp. In the same pan, we're adding a little bit of oil. So now we add in the shrimp. So they look about cooked. We're just going to take them off the heat and we're going to put them in the same plate. Just separate the eggs from the shrimp. So now in the same pan, we're adding the rest of our oil. And we're going to also add the white part of the green onion. Next, we add in the red pepper. To saute them together for about 2 minutes. So after the 2 minutes, we're just going to add in the garlic. And we're going to saute that as well. So now we're just going to put a hole in the middle and we're going to add in the soy sauce. And we're just going to mix that. And add in the rice. And mix it once again. So make sure to taste it just to ensure that it's the right amount of soy sauce and everything for you. So now we're going to add a little bit of seasoning, so just a little bit of salt and some black pepper. So you add salt, pepper, and the green part of the green onions, and you're just going to saute that. After you've sauteed the green part of the green onions in there, we're going to add the shrimp and eggs. As well as our pineapple. And we're going to give it a final mix. So we're just going to saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the rice absorbs the pineapple juice. And then we're going to serve it in the pineapple that we removed earlier. We're going to serve it in the pineapple boat. So this is what it looks like. We've served it in the pineapple itself. And as you can see, it's a beautiful pop of colors. Yeah, it smells amazing. So let's try it.
It's really good.
So it's the perfect combination of flavors because you have that saltiness from the soy sauce and then you get the sweetness from the pineapple and the pineapple juice. And you also get a variation of texture. So you have the eggs, the shrimp, the pineapple, the crunchiness from the peppers. Personally, I think it could use a little bit of spice, so some chilies would be really good in there. But overall, I recommend trying it. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord so you guys can support me to make further content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!